Hi guys, I'm Qasim Khan. So today we're making chicken peri peri tikka, chicken tikka. So this is hot peri peri rub. This is lemon dressing. Two kilos chicken breast, 2 kilo chicken breast. Boneless. There's no bones, there's boneless. Cutting same like this. Two tablespoon yogurt. 1, 2. We little mixing. This is a garlic and ginger paste. 2 tablespoons garlic and ginger paste. Okay. 1, 2. And 2 tablespoons of very peri peri masala. It's not too much spicy. It's 2. It's not too full. It's little bit. A little bit more pudding. It's 2 tablespoons. Lemon dressing. 3 or 4 tablespoons. Are we mixing? Four tablespoons of oil. And then we're mixing. Now we put inside spice. Hot home spice. Half teaspoon of red food color. Red food color. This one. Half teaspoon. Half tablespoon of chili flakes. Half tablespoon. And half tablespoon salt. 1 tablespoon salt. 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Half tablespoon chili flakes. And now we put inside. And 2 kilo chicken breast. Are we mixing? This chicken tikka was amazing. This chicken we all putting inside. And then we're mixing. So this is very yummy, very delicious. Chicken and making you hungry, so delicious. Chicken tikka. Very easy to make, very easy and tell you what. Very easy, very delicious. 1 hour rest. After 1 hour we're cooking. Now 1 hour later we put oil. 2 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons of oil. 2 or 3. I will all put inside chicken. There's 2 kilo chicken. This size. I'll use easy for bread. I'll put in 4-5 tablespoons. Look, this oven. We put in 20 minutes. 20 minutes, okay. After 20 minutes, look, 75% done. You can see water's coming up. The chicken is 75%. Oh, now we put inside. Water drill out. It's 75% in. Now give 10 minutes oven. More. Now this is oven put inside. The time is 95% done. 95% done. Now a little bit take grill. 10 minutes grill. We call this tikka. Chicken tikka. I make it like this. After we put in grill, we put oven after grill. Now we put inside grill. Just the grill. Down is oven, up is grill. And this is oven down. Up is grill, okay? So now it's done. After 10 minutes, now it's 100% done. Make you hungry, is very delicious taste. Now we're tasting. Look, it's 100%. Look, white is done. Look, 100% is very nice taste. Look, it's all gone. Oh, wow, it's very nice. It's so delicious. Ooh la la, it's very nice. You taste. Now we're gonna tasting. Guys, I'm Qasim Khan. I am Chef Qasim Khan. So now I make this chicken. Look, I make chicken tikka. Very nice. Ooh la la. So I'm gonna try. Here. Mmm. Very It is so delicious, very nice. Like, subscribe, share with family, friends. And please comment me about my chicken tikka. Okay, it's very nice taste. You must make this for your family, friends. Barbecue is very healthy. Okay, bye guys. Bye. Today, we're gonna put TV instead of YouTube. So you can go. Please send me a comment and enjoy my food. I love reading comment. And you put comment I'm reading too much. Now enjoy my food. It's dinner time. 6 o'clock. Okay, bye guys. Bye. Ooh la la, it's very nice.